Hello there. This is a video tutorial that explains how to use the automate section tool for Rhino with grasshopper. This is the output, just one of the multiple output that you can have from this tool. So basically it's going to draw automatically a section, and you can set up a lot of different parameters, different type of style of the section. I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, you will find in the folder in R&D drive the template. So first of all, let's open the template. Need to wait a few seconds because yeah, in the template I already insert all the blocks regarding the people, trees, bikes, car, and whatever. So in here you see we have the layers that are there with some colors that I assigned, but you of course you can easily change the color of your layers by clicking here. And then in the name views we have one name view saved, that is this one, camera for library. If you click here, and wait a few seconds. This is going to show you the location of the object that are already in this template. So in here I insert a bunch of vegetation like flowers, trees, different style of trees like this, top views, more artistic ones, and also people in here, cars, different type of peoples, bikes, so on. So let's go back to the top view. Okay, now we can just drag and drop in the script that is called AS tool. So just drag and drop, the grasshopper will open. In some cases you might need to add some plugins. So you can find out to add plugins that are needed in our R&D folder on the server. But it's quite easy, just go to file and special folders, component folders, and in here you can add the plugins that you might need for this script in order to work. So this is the script. Basically we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part of it. You only need to work on this side of the script. This one are all the components but you don't need to modify them. So we can start from the profile. In here we have all the parameters that we can edit. So for example we have a green area, then we have buffers in between the different part of the roads of the street. So then we have the width of the street, the length of the street, and so on, different buffers, other part of greens, buffers. Then we have bike lanes, then again buffers, and pedestrian area. So in here we can change the dimension of each part of the profile. This one is the length, and yeah, also we have the width of the part. we can see here the script is going to collect all the info of your profile, so it's going to give you the total length of the street. In this case it's 42 meters. Then it's going to give you also the total length of each part, like cars, bike, pedestrian and green areas. So basically, when you have set all your parameters of the street, you just need to click here on Bake Street Profile, and the tool will automatically, yeah, we are not in top view, yeah, okay. We were not in the right in the right point of the space. So you see here, it's going to create the profile of the street. So for example, if we are going to change the green number 1, that is basically the one in the middle, and we are going to select like 6 meter, for example, in here, then when we bake again, it will automatically delete the old one and draw the new one. So let's click bake here, and so now you see the green, it's wider in this case. And of course it will update all the numbers in terms of dimension of the street. Then we have the, oh yeah, maybe better also to check this part here on buffers. We can decide on 3 different type of buffers, so a flat one, a slope, or a kind of gutter. We can see in here, for example, this is the buffer, the 2 buffers on this part of the street. So we have flat at the moment, so it's like this is flat. If we put slope and then we bake again, we see that the buffer became a kind of slope till the height of the street here. And same if we change with gutter, got this, then we got the gutter here. So the second part is the vegetation. Here we can select the sides of the trees in yeah, some range of heights here. Then we can also select the name of the block that we want to place. According to the name, it will place the block that we select. So to check the block names, you can go again on here on the name of views, camera for library, and if you select one type of trees and then you go on properties here, you can check the name of the block, and then in here you can type the name of the block, and this means that the block that will appear in the section will correspond to the ones that you have selected here in the library. So in this case I've put the 68 and 66 trees. So again, let's go to the top view. Here. I've selected 8 to 10 meters, like 8. Then we also have grass and bushes. Same things. It's for the bushes that you can select. So you can just check in the library the name of the block and then replace here by double clicking and changing the name. Here we have the scale of the blocks, and here we have the quantity that we can change. So to bake the vegetation here, you just need first to click on activate and then on update here. Don't forget to click update every time. So as you can see, we have just placed these 3, and for example, if we want to change the type of tree, we can say instead of 68, let's say 69, and press OK, and then again activate, and we are going to have another kind of trees here. So let's go back to 68, that was better. Then again activate and update. For example, if we want to change the size, now those are between 8 and 10 meters. Let's say we want to between 22 and 25 meters. So again, change that one and then activate, and you see how big is it. So let's go back 8 to 10, like this. Then we have also people. So in here we can set the quantity of peoples. Of course, peoples are going to be placed only in the pedestrian area. So you can select for different style of people. Then you can randomize their position, and then you can also set the quantity. So again, here to bake it, so activate and update. You see we have peoples here, just random peoples. If we change the style, for example, on the style 4, we will have other type of people. You see those are different from the previous one. Then we have the bikes for the bikers. In this case, we can select the type of the bike lane. So we can select one lane reverse, so it just means that this one on the reverse way. Then 2 lane in opposite direction, on 2 lane in the same direction. So in this case we are going to use 2 lane in the same direction, and again just click on activate and update. So you see here now we have 2 bikers here and 2 bikers here that are going in the same direction. If we want to try a different one, for example 2 lane opposite direction, then again activate and update. So now you see this one, it's in one direction, this one is in the opposite, and same will be for the other 2 directions here, the other 2 bikers here. Then we also have cars. So same thing as a biker. We can select the type of the street. So 1 lane, 2 lane opposite direction, 2 lane same direction. Let's use 2 lane same direction. Oops. Let's use 2 lane same direction, activate, update. So here we have 2 cars and 2 cars going in the same direction. At the end we have the buildings. So in here we can set the different parameters of the buildings. Of course it's just simple shape, so rectangular shape of buildings, but we can set the plinth, depth and height, and then the tower with depth, height and a setback. So for the building on the left side and the building on the right side. Once we have set all the parameters, we can just press bake, and in here we see we have the 2 buildings on the side. So for example, if we don't want a setback on the left side, again we do like this, so we don't have setback. Of course here the depth is lower than this one, but yeah, you can change the depth also. So now we have building without setback here. And yeah, that's it for the tool. I hope it's clear. Yeah, on this top part here of the script we have this button. This is the quick bake all. Basically, instead of baking all the different part of it, you can bake it just in once. So if you set different parameters in different part of the script, so let's see, this central green will be smaller, 2 meters, and yeah, I don't know, we're going to have 2 lane, whatever. Yeah, you can change whatever you prefer. So for example, the height of this splint will be just 2. In here with just one click you can bake all of them at once. And of course you don't need to delete anything, because the script is going to delete everything at the same moment and replace with the new parameters that you set up. So this is just one output. You can change a lot of different style according to the library that I insert in. So I think that's it. If you have any question, just let me know, or Emma or Adam, and we will help you. Yep, enjoy it.